Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And now at 9, it's time for the nation's sharpest opinion. Yogi Adityanath is the number one newsmaker today. Yogi Adityanath has stirred a huge controversy by saying, and that's our hashtag tonight, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो नेक रहेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो सुरक्षित रहेंगे. Now, this was said in the context of Bangladesh. And he specifically also said, Yogi Adityanath, that the mistakes made in Bangladesh, in the context of Bangladesh, should not be made here. So he was speaking of national unity. So while he did not specifically refer only to Hindus, there are people who are saying that what Yogi Adityanath was saying was an open call to Hindus in India, asking Hindus to be united, telling Hindus, don't be divided, with the follow-up line translated into meaning that if Hindus are divided, then their very existence will come under threat. Now, viewers, I don't know about these politically correct woke types. Let me ask you, what's the problem with that? If indeed that is what Yogi Adityanath meant, what's the problem with it? What is so wrong with Yogi asking Hindus to be united? What is wrong with Yogi saying Hindus should be united so that their existence is not threatened? The same people who constantly, every day, 24 hours, ask Muslims to unite, say Muslims must be united. The same people, the political parties who say Muslims will have the first right on Bharat's resources, they should be the last people complaining of Yogi Adityanath, complaining that Yogi Adityanath wants Hindus to be united. Isn't a call for unity something to be welcomed, viewers? And if Yogi Adityanath says that a united people and united Hindus will keep the country together, should we all not welcome it? Weren't Hindu temples targeted in Bangladesh? Weren't Hindu homes burnt? Weren't Hindu businesses targeted? Weren't Hindus thrown out of jobs? Did that, ladies and gentlemen, all the torture that Hindus have gone through in Bangladesh not force Hindus all over the world, in Bangladesh, in India, to come out in protest against this toxic Hindu phobia? When every day, Rahul Gandhi every day gets up and does something in his power to play on caste. It's like he's been given an agenda, break the Hindu community. Viewers, did you hear? Even he complained on Saturday or Sunday, I was told, and I couldn't believe it. I didn't know whether to laugh or to cry. When he started saying, why are there no caste quotas in the Miss India competition? Miss India should be chosen on the basis of their caste. It's okay for Rahul Gandhi to talk this garbage, this rubbish. And we should oppose Yogi Adityanath's call for unity. You decide, viewers. I am glad that Yogi has been brazen and direct about it. What's the point? When everyday conspiracies are being made to break Hindu unity, to break national unity, it is time someone like Yogi places the truth on the table as it should be. That Hindus must be united to defend the nation. Hindus must be united to defend their own civilizational heritage, to reinforce their commitment, ladies and gentlemen, to nationalism and the principle of nation first. I don't think there is anything wrong with that. Do you? Let's debate.
बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो नेक रहेंगे.
Atrocities on Bangladeshi Hindus are on the rise. And on the occasion of Janmashtami, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister sent out a strong message.
और राष्ट्र तब सशक्त होगा जब हम एक रहेंगे, नेक रहेंगे, तभी नेक रहेंगे। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे। आप देख रहे हैं ना, बांग्लादेश में देख रहे हो ना, तो वो गलतियां यहां नहीं होनी चाहिए। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो नेक रहेंगे, सुरक्षित रहेंगे और समृद्धि की पराकाष्ठा को पहुंचेंगे। हमें विकसित भारत की संकल्पना को साकार करने के लिए कार्य करना है।
AIMIM chief meanwhile responded to Yogi's call for unity.
देश की अखंडता और यूनिटी की बात जब वो करते हैं तो उनके मुंह से जब इतने सब अनाप शनाप बातें निकलती हैं तो फिर वो तो कुछ और ही बात कर रहे हैं। तो बांटेंगे तो कटेंगे, भाई आप ही तो बांट रहे हैं। तो ये सब बातें जो हैं ये इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको नज़र आ रहा है कि उन्हीं की पार्टी के लोग उनको हटाना चाहते हैं मुख्यमंत्री के पद से। तो शायद वो बीजेपी को कह रहे हैं कि बटेंगे तो कटेंगे।
The secularists are raising alarm over Yogi's remark.
Reality, what he said, is that trying to be fool. How can there be unity? It's by mere words, hollow words, by words, it is not possible. Just by depriving Dalits and OBC, you think that there can be Hindu unity?
This comes at a time when India Alliance has drawn parallel between India and Bangladesh.
What's happening in Bangladesh can happen here. It's just that Bangladesh is a concentration of much that we have in our country, and the spread in our country prevents things blowing up in the manner in which they've blown up in Bangladesh. But whatever is happening in Bangladesh is terrible.
Yogi's call for unity, need of the hour.
There are different ways of interpreting this. I am opening the debate with Uday Mahurkar. My hashtag is simple: batenge to katenge. TOH, ladies and gentlemen, in case you're using the hashtag, you can use it. Tell us what you think. Let's also vote tonight. Opening the debate is Uday Mahurkar. Uday Dada, what did Yogi mean? What was he trying to say?
You see, what we have seen what has happened in Bangladesh over the last 1 month. Yogi is only reflecting the sentiment of a large lobby, a section of patriotic people in this country. That might include some moderate Muslims also. So Yogi, in a way, is reflecting. You see, you have to go into history. You see, till the 7th century, our boundaries were covered. Afghanistan, Burma, all these countries were covered by Bharat, what you call Bharat today, Bharat's culture. Now, after that, Islam came in the around that time. Islam came, and then what you have seen is complete, I would say, washout of all Hindus from that area. You see, even if you take 1924 Kohat riots, Kohat, which is in northwest frontier province, what you call now Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So there were Hindus in Peshawar, in Kohat. Even from there, they have been wiped out. And in Bangladesh also, 30% was the percentage of Hindus at the time of partition. Today it is 8%.
No. Question
So
is
Yogi
wrong.
is reflecting
It's not
the
that it's
sentiment of the
communal.
nation.
Hello.
Not to say. No, it's not communal. It is about national security.
I was telling my grade. I think our
And,
question is
and
wrong.
one more thing.
Yeah, that's
you see, when he says that, you see, I have written a book on Savarkar. Savarkar has been saying this for the last almost 80-90 years.
Correct. So I
He
think
said this about 90 years ago.
I think it's very interesting.
So no. One more thing. So now you see this includes patriotic Muslims. You have to understand one thing.
I know.
It is a call against radical Muslims whom Congress has been espousing for the last 100 years.
Yeah. You know, and every
What is the
day
Congress
I got so irritated over the weekend.
In the grip of
No.
radical Islamic
Nowadays,
forces,
what is
almost
happening
totally.
is every morning Rahul Gandhi is hell bent on dividing Hindus. And every day, radical Muslim voices say, well done, Rahul Gandhi, let's break the Hindus a little bit more, let's break them a little bit more, let's break them a little bit more. And some of these people even, they said recently,
Arnab,
they said,
gentleman looks like a very bad history teacher.
Asif, let me complete. They said, Rahul Gandhi said over the weekend he had a brainwave, you know. And he said, why is there no quota for the Miss India competition? Miss India competition, you want a quota there? मतलब किसी भी चीज में भी कोटा डाल दो. And if somebody says Pasmanda Muslims, non-Pasmanda Muslims, you say, no, don't divide Muslims. You say, don't divide Muslims. The same people, Shantanu, say Muslims be together.
He can't hear.
They immediately say, no, Muslims don't get divided. We have to fight Narendra Modi. Muslims unite against Narendra Modi. But every morning, how to break Hindus? So Yogi is very clear. In that sense, he's different. He's saying, listen, batenge to katenge. Actually, he's talking in the context of the nation. What was the context, Shantanu? I'm opening up to debate. What is the context here, Shantanu? What was he saying, nation or Hindus? Or both?
He was saying, he was saying to the whole nation. And you know, in your debate also, there might be a lot of fake Lohiaites. You know what Lohia said? Jati todo, samaj jodo. Okay. Right? That was a lot of Lohiaites. Samajwadi Party says, हमने लोहिया पार्क बनाया, but लोहिया पार्क बनाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You have to follow. Yogi Adityanath exactly echoing what Lohia said, while Ram Manohar said in a different tone. He said, Jati todo, samaj jodo. He also said the same. See, when Kanhaiya Lal was killed, he was a OBC. The fanatics did not see OBC in him, or a Dalit in him, or they just see a Hindu in him. In Bangladesh, a lot of Hindus are butchered. None of the Muslim fanatic asked, which caste are you? Even if it's a Brahman, even if it's a OBC, if it's a Dalit, he was killed. And Yogi was just reminding the same, कि अगर अलग-अलग रहोगे तो कटोगे.
वही बात है ना कि जात ना पूछो साधु की, जात ना पूछो साधु की, पूछ लीजिए ज्ञान. Logic होनी चाहिए. Unite. Hindus are becoming united. So it's not going to work. How do you view it, Sanju? I mean, this is now going to become political. Was he calling for Hindu unity, citing Bangladesh?
You know, Arnab, first I have to say this. What I love most about you is that you are so not politically correct. I don't think any anchor on live television has said this, that Rahul Gandhi most of the time speaks gibberish and garbage. And I think that is precisely the way to put it. And I'm not going to be politically correct either. I'll make a few very important points very quickly. Point number one, Rahul Gandhi, जो देश भर घूम कर screaming from every rooftop, caste census करवाओ, OBC, दलित, आदिवासी, इन सब का यदि कोई हितैषी है, तो वो कांग्रेस पार्टी है. तो राहुल गांधी, I want to ask you today, through Arnab Goswami's show, Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, Sonia Gandhi is a member, is she OBC? Priyanka Vadra is a member, is she an OBC? Robert Vadra is a member, is he an OBC? Rahul Gandhi, you yourself are a part of Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, are you an OBC? Suman Dubey is a member, is he an OBC? Ashok Ganguly is a member, is he an OBC? Vijay Mahajan is a member, is he an OBC? तो पहले अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखिए, have you ever empowered OBCs? The answer is no. Till date, Congress has sent to the country about 243 chief ministers, out of which only 42 have been OBCs, roughly 15 to 16%. Till date, Bharatiya Janata Party has sent 69 chief ministers in India, and OBC chief ministers are roughly 27 to 28, which means more than a 35% strike rate. इसलिए हमें यहाँ बैठकर मत सिखाइए, beat Kalyan Singh, beat Uma Bharti, beat Babulal Gaur, beat Mohan Charan Manjhi currently in Odisha, beat Mohan Yadav in Madhya Pradesh, or Vishnu Deo Sai in Chhattisgarh. We have empowered Dalits and OBCs. But I want to say something to Prakash Raj through your show, because this man is a Hindu-phobic bigot. He says, in Indonesia, Muslim population is 90%. Hindu population तो सिर्फ 2% है. But there are 11,000 temples. That is because RSS is not there. BJP is not in Indonesia. That is why 11,000 temples are there in a Muslim majority nation. So let me tell you, Prakash Raj,
all
आप अनपढ़ हैं, गवाह हैं, तो ध्यान से सुनिए, Prakash Raj, Algeria was never a Muslim country.
This proves that he is right.
In 7th century. Turkey was
Your arrogant behavior proves that Mr. Prakash Raj is 100% right.
Pakistan, Bangladesh,
Why don't you answer him?
Malaysia,
Why don't you answer him?
Never originally Muslim
Despite
countries.
the Hindus being in minority, why are there thousands and thousands of temples there? Why don't you answer?
Prakash Raj,
You want to break them?
you are a
Sanju, you must engage in a debate with him. I'll arrange a debate of Prakash Raj, Mr. Prakash Raj with you. Are you ready for a debate with Mr. Prakash Raj?
You are a villain in real life and you are a villain
Are
in
you
real
ready
life
to
too.
have a debate
You are
with Mr. Prakash
Christian.
Raj?
You dare not give
I will
jab to
arrange a
Hindus.
debate of Sanju Verma with Mr. Prakash Raj. Do you have the guts to
Why should
face
I debate
him?
an unpad gawar?
Do you have
Why
the
should I
guts to
debate
face
an
Mr.
unpad
Prakash
gawar,
Raj?
Prakash Raj?
Do
Who
you
is Prakash
accept?
Raj? The only time he gets
So this proves that you do not believe in debating with him. You just want to call names to him. That's your phobia.
You see,
That proves that you are not equipped to have a debate with him.
You suffer from Modi phobia.
You accept a debate now.
Yogi phobia.
Are you accept a debate with him now? Do you have the guts to accept a debate with Mr. Prakash Raj? Yes or no?
Viewers, the debate is very hot tonight and many people are using the hashtag. Many people are using the hashtag batenge to katenge. In that context, my next question, if Tariq Lari can stop trying to take instructions from someone and come back to the debate. Tariq Lari जी चिंता मत कीजिए, डिबेट में वापस आइए. हमारे साथ अनवर पाशा भी आरजेडी के. देखिए अनवर पाशा जी, तारिक लारी जी, आरजेडी और समाजवादी पार्टी दोनों एक ही बात कहते हैं, मुस्लिम्स मस्ट वोट एज वन यूनिट. मुस्लिम यूनिटी की बात करते हैं, हम सब जानते हैं, है ना सुशील जी? मुस्लिम्स मस्ट बी यूनाइटेड इन. बट व्हेन योगी टॉक्स अबाउट हिंदू यूनिटी, यू गेट इनसिक्योर. व्हाई? If 82% of the country Hindus don't come together, who will come together? You are saying 15, 16, 17%, whatever the population of Muslims are, they should be united. But then Yogi is saying, if indeed he is talking about Hindus, I don't know, it seems to be talking about the nation. But even if he is saying Hindus should be united, 82% of the country united, इसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या? आपकी कुर्सी चली जाएगी क्या? ऐसी कुर्सी तो आपके साथ है नहीं. और इसके साथ ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि मारिया आलम खान है ना, शी इज सलमान खुर्शीद्स नीस. ये फरुखाबाद में इन्होंने कहा इस बार सुशील पंडित, वोट जिहाद होनी चाहिए, वोट जिहाद, वोट जिहाद, वोट जिहाद. तो मुस्लिम्स मस्ट कम टुगेदर एंड डू वोट जिहाद. मगर योगी आदित्यनाथ कहते हैं कि बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, तो आपको टेंशन क्यों हो जाती है? तारिक लारी, व्हाई आर यू इनसिक्योर एंड स्कैर्ड ऑफ योगी? व्हाई डोंट यू ऑल्सो से वी शुड कम टुगेदर? है ना? Why don't you? Because you constantly talk about Dalits and Muslims needing to come together. आप कहते हो दलित और मुस्लिम्स मस्ट वोट एज वन ब्लॉक. कहते हो कि नहीं कहते? आप तो कुछ विकास की बात नहीं करते. आप दलित मुस्लिम एकता की बात करते हैं. ये हिंदू एकता की बात अगर कर रहे हैं, राष्ट्रीय एकता की बात कर रहे हैं, तो आपको इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? जी बोलिए.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः. सबसे पहले आप सब लोगों को कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी की हार्दिक बधाई, शुभकामनाएं. दूसरी बात, जो आज मुख्यमंत्री जी ने बात कही है, वो किसी पढ़े लिखे के मुंह से, और वो भी मुख्यमंत्री संवैधानिक पद और मुख्यमंत्री प्रदेश के सर्वश्रेष्ठ कुर्सी पर बैठने वाले व्यक्ति के मुंह से बात निकली हुई नहीं लग रही है. ये मेरे जैसे सड़क छाप के मुंह से निकली हुई बात लग रही है. मैं अपने आप को कह रहा हूँ, मैं सड़क छाप हूँ. ये भाषा मेरे जैसे लोगों की है. तो मुझे ताज्जुब है कि योगी जी ने इस तरह की बात कही. हाँ, वो कहते हैं, उन्होंने साथ में ये भी कहा कि मेरे लिए सनातन, सिख, बौद्ध, जैन ही धर्म है और मैं इनको समझता हूँ, बाकी जो है वो भारत छोड़ के जाएं. तो उसमें आगे ये भी बात बताइए ना, पूरा उनका भाषण बताइए कि ये भाषण भी दिया है, साथ में उन्होंने
कहा, मैं पूरा मैं जो पूरी मैं आपको जरा पढ़ के सुनाता हूं, क्योंकि आप शायद मैं आपको कॉन्टेक्स्ट बता देता हूं तारिक लारी जी, उसके बाद आप वापस इसको आपको जो कहना है कहिए, उसके बाद आप खंडित नहीं कर पाएंगे। मैं चाहता हूं मुझे 2 मिनट दें, मैं पढ़ के सुना दूं। उन्होंने कहा आप देख रहे हैं, उन्होंने कहा आप देख रहे हैं जो क्या हुआ बांग्लादेश में, वो गलतियां यहां नहीं होनी चाहिए। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो नेक रहेंगे, सुरक्षित रहेंगे, ये कहा उन्होंने।
सड़क छाप कह रहा हूं, मेरे ऐसे सड़क छाप इस भाषा का इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
आप कृपया अपने बारे में ऐसी गाली ना दे टेलीविजन पर, शोभा नहीं देता आपको।
प्रधानमंत्री
आप जो भी हो, आप ऐसी बातें अपने बारे में ना कहें,
मेरे ऐसे
आप अपने बारे में ऐसा ना कहें प्लीज।
दूसरी बात यह है, यहाँ पे बात होनी चाहिए, यहाँ पे हिंदू धर्म, मुस्लिम धर्म, ये धर्म वो धर्म की बात हो रही है। आप जात की बात कर रहे हैं, आप इसकी बात कर रहे हैं, आप सब बात कर रहे हैं, हिंदू यूनिटी की बात कर रहे हैं। बिल्कुल हमको हिंदू ही नहीं, मुसलमानों को भी यूनाइट होकर देश के गद्दारों से लड़ना चाहिए, उन लोगों से लड़ना चाहिए जो देश के खिलाफ उसको बांटने का काम करते हैं, उसके बंटवारे की बात करते हैं, आज़ादी के बाद भी करते हैं, और जो जिन्ना के साथी थे और जो वहां बंगाल में सरकार में थे वो भी बंटवारे के हिस्सेदार थे, उनके खिलाफ भी हमको बोलना चाहिए, जिनका नाम था मुखर्जी, तो उनके खिलाफ भी बोलिए।
नाम भी नहीं जानते, आप नाम भी नहीं जानते, संदर्भ नहीं जानते, कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं जानते, इतिहास नहीं जानते, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? आप प्लीज अपने शब्दों पे संयम रखिए, कंट्रोल योर लैंग्वेज सर।
पद पर बैठे हुए व्यक्ति की यह भाषा नहीं होती है।
मुख्यमंत्री ने क्या बात कही जो आपको सड़क छाप लगी? मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा वी शुड टॉक अबाउट नेशनल यूनिटी, वी शुड टॉक अबाउट,
उन्होंने कहा कि हिंदू धर्म, सिख धर्म, बौद्ध धर्म, जैन धर्म के अलावा कोई धर्म मैं नहीं समझता, और अगर किसी को कुछ करना है तो वो हिंदुस्तान छोड़ के जाए। तो उन्होंने ये किसके लिए कहा? उन्होंने ये किसके लिए कहा कि देश छोड़ के जाए? सत्तावन देशों में जाकर नौकरी करने वाले आप लोग हम लोग को बताएंगे, वहां कोई कहता है किसी को पकड़ कर कि अल्लाह अकबर कहो, वहां कोई किसी को पकड़ कर कहता है नॉन मुस्लिम को कि जाइए जाकर नमाज पढ़िए, बिल्कुल नहीं कहता है, बिल्कुल नहीं कहता है। जैसे आप लोग यहाँ पे ट्रेन में भी पकड़ कर कह देते हैं जय श्री राम का नारा लगाओ, तो ये चीज हो रही है। यहाँ पे सड़क छाप भाषा का इस्तेमाल की बात हो रही है। आप मुझे क्या कहेंगी? आप मुझे क्या कहेंगी? मैं मुसलमान हूँ कि मैं हिंदू हूँ कि मैं सिख हूँ कि मैं जैन हूँ? आप मुझे क्या कहेंगी? आप मुझे क्या कहेंगी? मैं श्लोक भी पढ़ता हूँ, मैं कुरान भी पढ़ता हूँ, आप मुझे क्या कहेंगी? आप मुझे क्या कहेंगी? मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ, मैं हिंदुस्तानी सनातनी मुसलमान हूँ, मैं हिंदुस्तानी सनातनी मुसलमान हूँ। आपकी तरफ गद्दार हिंदू मुसलमान नहीं हूँ, मैं आपकी तरफ गद्दार नहीं हूँ, इस देश का गद्दार नहीं हूँ मैं, जो बैठकर इस तरह की सड़क छाप भाषा का प्रयोग करे और उसको सही बताए। मैं इस भाषा का कट्टर विरोध करता हूँ, घनघोर इसकी निंदा करता हूँ और इनके इस्तीफे की मांग करता हूँ। इनको तुरंत इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। नहीं है कर बात कर सकता हो, वो संवैधानिक पद पर बैठने लायक नहीं होता है।
तन से जुदा, सरतन से जुदा, गुस्ताखे रसूल की एक ही सजा,
बलात्कारियों की एक ही सजा, सरतन से जुदा, सरतन से जुदा, बलात्कारियों की एक ही सजा, सरतन से जुदा, सरतन से जुदा, बलात्कारियों की एक ही सजा, सरतन से जुदा, सरतन से जुदा। अब बोलिए आप।
Control yourself, ladies and gentlemen, on this very hot debate. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to repeat once again. I want to repeat once again the exact words used by Yogi Adityanath. और उस साउंडबाइट को अगर मैं फिर से क्लिप को आप तारिक लारी जी, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ आपको, मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ आपको, तारिक जी मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, गंभीर मुद्दा है।
कट्टरपंथी आतंकवादी तुम भी शांत हो जाओ, तुम आतंकवादियों का समझता तो मालूम है, तुम बैठती हो आतंकवादियों के साथ, आतंकवादी साध्वी ठाकुर के साथ बैठती हो, मालूम है, आतंकवादी प्रज्ञा के साथ बैठती हो, मालूम है, उसको टिकट देके एमपी बनाया, मालूम है, उसको संसद में पहुंचाया। एक आतंकवादी को संसद में पहुंचाने का काम तुम लोगों ने किया है, और जिहादी और आतंकवादी हम। अरे आतंकवादी ने कहा
हमको डीएनए टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा जब एक 12 साल की गरीब हिंदू दलित बच्ची का।
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to play 1 minute, everyone on. Ladies and gentlemen, with everyone's permission, मैं सबको आग्रह कर रहा हूं, आप जरा मुझे 2 मिनट उस साउंड बाइट को प्ले करने दे जो इतना कंट्रोवर्शियल हो गया है, जिस पर इतनी चर्चा हो रही है। इस चर्चा को आगे ले जाने से पहले मैं चाहूंगा कि अनवर पाशा जी और आसिफ सोहेल जी को आमंत्रित करने से पहले मैं एक बार प्ले करूं वो बात जो चीफ मिनिस्टर योगी आदित्यनाथ ने क्या बात कही। सबको स्क्रीन पे रखकर, अगर ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द स्क्रीन वी कैन प्ले द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ योगी आदित्यनाथ एंड देन आई विल कम बैक टू दिस डिबेट। प्लीज प्ले।
बहनों और भाइयों, राष्ट्र से बढ़कर के कुछ नहीं हो सकता, कुछ नहीं हो सकता। और राष्ट्र तब सशक्त होगा जब हम एक रहेंगे, नेक रहेंगे, तभी नेक रहेंगे। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे। आप देख रहे हैं ना, बांग्लादेश में देख रहे हो ना, तो वो गलतियां यहां नहीं होनी चाहिए। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो नेक रहेंगे, सुरक्षित रहेंगे और समृद्धि की पराकाष्ठा को पहुंचेंगे। हमें विकसित भारत की संकल्पना को साकार करने के लिए कार्य करना है।
तो इट्स क्वाइट क्लियर, इसमें हु कैन हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम आसिफ सोहेल? राष्ट्र से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं होता, एक रहेंगे तो नेक रहेंगे। बांग्लादेश में क्या हुआ, गलतियां आपने देखी है, गलतियां सबको पता है आसिफ सोहेल। एंड लेट मी टेल यू आसिफ सोहेल, और मैं इसके बाद आई विल इनवाइट सुशील पंडित। बांग्लादेश में जमात इस्लामी हैज इटसेल्फ एडमिटेड टू टारगेटिंग हिंदू टेम्पल्स। 54 attacks on temples have happened, attacks on Hindu houses, Hindu establishments. The house of one of the most popular folk singers of Bangladesh, who's a Hindu, was targeted. So what is wrong in what he has said?
Other countries.
Pardon me?
नहीं, हमारे मुल्क के अंदर क्या परेशानी कम है?
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ योगी आदित्यनाथ ने क्या कहा जिससे आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
तो सुनिए पहले मेरी बात तो
मैं बात सुन रहा हूँ। अरे मैं बिल्कुल सुन रहा हूँ आपकी बात।
दीजिए आप। देखिए ये 400 पार का पोस्ट इलेक्शन इफेक्ट है। ये कमजोर चीफ मिनिस्टर का मुजाहरा उन्होंने किया, उनको प्रधानमंत्री पे भरोसा नहीं है। एक बताइए मुझे, कौन काटेगा? इतने जो 136 इंच के प्राइम मिनिस्टर हमारे पास है, इतने बुलडोजर चीफ मिनिस्टर हमारे पास है, कौन किसको काटेगा? ये सिर्फ पोस्ट 400 पार का इफेक्ट है। ये सिर्फ
राष्ट्र के बारे में कह रहे हैं। ही इज नॉट ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट हिंदू।
मारा जाता है, आप बांग्लादेश तक क्यों जा रहे हैं? आप हिफाजत करना है अपने उत्तर प्रदेश की हिफाजत की बात करिए आप। एक चीफ मिनिस्टर इतनी कमजोरी की बात, इतना कमजोर जो एक माइक पकड़कर बोल रहा है बटेंगे तो कटेंगे। देखिए इतने लाखों लोगों ने।
अच्छा, यू टेल मी वन थिंग, मैं आपको पूछता हूँ,
इस भरोसे से कि हम चैन से सोएंगे। सुनिए
आसिफ सोहेल,
सोएंगे, वो खुद कमजोर का मुजाहरा कर रहे हैं। तो मुझे बताइए, ये सारा 400 पार का पोस्ट इलेक्शन एफर्ट है। ये सिर्फ
मैं इक्वली आसिफ सोहेल 1 मिनट। सोहेल जी 1 मिनट। सोहेल जी एक सवाल पूछूं आपसे। सोहेल जी आपसे एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूं।
आज तक कोई चीफ मिनिस्टर को नहीं देखा।
सोहेल जी आपसे एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूं।
मुझे मेरा सवाल ये है, इतने लोगों ने वोट डालकर लोगों को, खुद का चीफ मिनिस्टर बोल रहा है बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, तो ये कमजोरी का मुजाहरा हो गया ना। ये मुल्क में कोई किसी को काट नहीं सकता है। बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर का मुल्क है, ये समझ रहे हैं, गांधी जी का मुल्क है।
अनवर पाशा जी,
यहाँ पे सारे
Anwar Pasha ji, my question is, and I don't want you to remain quiet, if I can request the national spokesperson of the RJD to come into the debate with Sushil Pandit, and let's have an open debate after this. Let's have an open debate tonight. Jitna khuli debate ho jaye ho jaye. Anwar Pasha, my question is this. See, Anwar Pasha, just one line I will ask you. One line is my question is only one line long. One line long, Anwar Pasha. One line long. One line question, Anwar Pasha. One line. Allow me to ask you one line question. The people who say Jai Philistine, have a problem with Yogi Adityanath's unity call?
I'm voting for my turn.
You have not given me chance to speak.
I am giving you, but listen to my question.
I'm listening you.
Thank you. My question.
I'm listening your poisonous statement.
My question to you.
I'm listening.
My question to you.
Statement.
My question to you.
Listen me.
Okay.
Listen me with patience. You have asked question. Let me answer your question. Aditya Yogi Nath ji and the BJP and
Yogi
RSS
Adityanath
people
ji
are afraid of social justice. That has taken a movement in the country. And Yogi ji or Hemant Biswa Sarma, they cannot stop the social justice. They cannot stop the movement of social justice. We will fight for social justice. We'll fight for the right of weaker sections. We'll fight for the rights of OBC, SC, ST, and other deprived sections of the society. We'll keep on fighting. The real issue is unemployment. The real issue is price rise. All the real issues are the farmers' problems.
Achha.
Government is not addressing and trying to divert the nation of the country by using the communal agenda, by communal rhetoric. Yogi ji is doing that. So he is afraid of social justice. We stand for social justice. If you say that this divides the country, you are insulting Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji. Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji stood for the social justice. He gave us a constitution based on social justice. He gave us a constitution based on the equality in the society.
Mr. Pasha,
he gave a constitution with
Mr. Pasha, now you are making a speech which I can destroy with one line.
So,
Your speech I can counter with one line.
BJP doesn't accept.
No, I'm.
So we condemn this attack on Baba Saheb Ambedkar and his constitution. They are afraid of social justice, but we are not going to stop. We will fight for the social justice.
Sanju,
our party will fight for the social justice.
No, but what is wrong with the call? Why are you getting nervous with the call for unity among Hindus?
On the rights of SC, ST, will not allow you to take away the reservation. You are
attacking destroyed Rahul Gandhi, women empowerment.
That is given by Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
अरे भाई साहब, social justice का spelling मालूम है?
Weaker sections.
Social justice का spelling मालूम है?
You spread. Do
you know the meaning of social justice?
You tried to spread.
Do you know the spelling of social
during
justice?
the election also.
You spoke on inflation.
To spread the election.
Tell me the full form of CPI. It is Consumer Price Index.
Election.
Tell me the full form of WPI. It is Wholesale Price Index. Do you know the difference between consumer inflation and wholesale inflation?
Who rejected
Do you
the
know
policy
the
of
difference
hatred?
between retail inflation and headline inflation? Do you know the difference between headline inflation and food inflation?
You were claiming to get 400 seats. And people rejected your agenda.
Retail inflation is at a new low of 3.5%.
So this is the lesson given by the people to you. Learn lesson from this election's result. You will not get votes in the name of religious attacks and communal polarization. People have understood your policy. People have rejected your policy. And this is the hatred policy that you are following. This country stands for love. Love for everybody.
I say that Madrasa
Equal rights for
should not be
everybody.
lecturing BJP
Social
on
justice is
national
our
debates.
agenda. Social justice is our ideology. We'll keep on fighting for this.
Arnab Goswami destroyed Rahul Gandhi. He kept saying women empowerment for every answer to every question.
Dream of Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
वैसे ही कर रहे हैं.
We try to
Social
achieve the
justice.
dream of
Social
Baba
justice.
Saheb Ambedkar by giving rights to all the
India
weaker
is a
sections.
secular country with 80% Hindus, that people like you can come on national television and threaten the
We will
BJP.
fight for this.
People like you can say that those who chant Jai Shri Ram are
Baba Saheb
terrorists.
gave us a
People like you support halal hijab.
Constitution.
And
We stand for the secular
you
constitution.
know,
of Baba
economy
Saheb.
based on
We reject all
love
kind of
jihad.
hatred, all kind of communal politics.
And you still play
Be from
victim
any
card कि अरे
corner.
मुसलमानों
Any
को
communal
तो
politics is
freedom
not
of expression
acceptable.
नहीं है.
We
मुसलमानों
reject
को
all
तो
communal
free
politics.
speech
We
नहीं.
reject communal
मेरे मौका
and
मिलता.
hatred
Do
that
you
is being
support
spread in
halal?
the
Yes.
country.
Do you
You
support
are not
hijab?
addressing
Yes.
the real issue.
Do you support
You
halal?
address the real
Yes.
issue of
तो फिर किस
unemployment
बात का
for the
रोना
youth.
धोना?
The youth
किस बात का
who are
रोना
suffering
धोना?
from unemployment. Solve their problem.
You want the benefits
You-
of Indian people.
you solve the problem
but
of
you
farmers.
don't want a uniform
You
civil
bring
code.
down the price
You want
that is
Rohingyas
rising
to come
to the
to
sky.
India. You want illegal
you are just
Bangladeshis
trying
to
to
come
divert
India,
the attention
but you
of the
don't
people
want
of this
the
country.
Indian
Mr. Pasha, one minute. Mr. Pasha, Mr. Pasha, Mr. Pasha, you are giving a long speech. I need to intervene. I still don't understand what is the problem. 1 minute, 1 minute. Mr. Pasha, thank you.
This is not the issue at all.
Okay, Mr. Pasha, thank you. I heard you completely. Right now, 93% of our viewers are agreeing with Yogi Adityanath's call for national unity.
Hatred by your channel.
Okay.
This is not fair.
Okay, Mr. Pasha.
No, what is the character? What is the character of your channel? People know. So address the problem of issues. Address the problem of real problems of issues.
Address the
Don't
problem
divert.
of issues?
Don't
Have you
make
gotten
them
up
to
from the
fight
wrong side of the
against each
bed?
other.
You are not even able to
Don't
speak coherently.
instigate them
What do you mean
for a civil
address the
war in the
problem of
country.
the issues?
Mr. Pasha.
In the name of religion.
English नहीं आती
Mr.
तो हिंदी में
Pasha.
बात
This
करो.
communal agenda.
English नहीं
Mr.
आती
Pasha,
तो हिंदी में बात करो.
now, Mr. Pasha, I think that you can hear me. Mr. Pasha,
Party
1 minute, everybody on, everybody on. You know, Mr. Pasha. You know, Mr. Pasha. Now, if you finished, I'll say something to you. But आप जरा उंगली नीचे करके आराम से बात करिए ना, आप ऐसे.
30 to 440. They
अच्छा.
have reduced.
Okay, Mr. Pasha, just take a break 1 minute. Thank you so much. And now listen to me. In response to everything you have said, I just want to say 2 things. First, Mr. Pasha, don't comment on the character of my channel. This is, first of all, not just a channel, it is India's largest news network. And you know what the first story on my news network was? It was a phone call between your leader Lalu and Shahabuddin in jail, where your leader was taking instructions from a mafia don. So you go and ask Lalu. Why don't you ask Lalu?
All fake.
All fake.
Fake narrative you are spreading. Fake narrative.
Come on, Mr. Pasha.
Lalu Prasad Yadav ji is the icon of democracy.
Yeah, but why did he speak to
Icon of
Shahabuddin when he
secularism.
was in jail?
Icon of social justice.
Why did he speak to Shahabuddin when he was in jail?
Yadav
Huh?
ji,
Why?
Shri Lalu Prasad Yadav ji is the icon of secularism.
Anyway.
Icon of democracy.
I am not.
Icon of social justice.
Albert Einstein.
He is icon of social justice.
In politics.
Anyway, my question is right now, Sushil Pandit. This issue, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक रहेंगे तो नेक रहेंगे.
And still our leader Tejaswi Yadav ji is fighting for social justice. That's why they are not acceptable to you. They are not acceptable to you.
This guy is a clown.
You are against them. And
This
you are
guy is a
spreading
clown
all
from
kinds
the
of
RJD.
canard against
Okay,
them.
I'd like Sushil Pandit to respond. He hasn't spoken, then I'll open it up. Sushil Pandit, what is your view on this call for unity, the exact words of Yogi Adityanath, and why it's being picked up by so many people?
Arnab, thank you for having me on the debate. I thought we'll have to debate a bot speaking in a loop with no chance of any redemption. But thank you for creating space for me. You know, this issue of unity goes back to, as you rightly pointed out, Bangladesh, which was earlier East Pakistan. We had a leader called Jogendranath Mandal who led the scheduled castes called Namo Shudras of the then undivided Bengal, and he associated with Muslim League in created Pakistan. He was the first law minister of Pakistan. He convinced the Namo Shudras, the Dalits, the backward castes of then undivided Bengal that joining Muslim League and creation of Pakistan is for social justice, is for emancipation. And you know what happened? Within a year of creation of Pakistan, in East Pakistan, Namo Shudras were hunted and lynched. Their villages were burnt, their women were dishonored, their properties were looted. The man wrote copious letters to Liaquat Ali Khan. What have we done? We cooperated with you. We helped you create Pakistan.
Yeah.
But what have you done? Why are you after us? Repeated entreaties didn't lead to anything. He ran away from Pakistan, resigned and died unsung and unwept in India in 1968. That was the project of Jai Bhim, Jai Meme in its infancy. And this is what it did. Batenge to katenge, Namo Shudras of Bengal, Namo Shudras of East Pakistan, Namo Shudras of Bangladesh today are facing, their generations are facing that plight. They broke ranks with the larger Hindu community, which was 46% of undivided Bengal.
Muslims constituted less than 54%. East Pakistan was created on that proportion because they were able to use Dalits as can openers. And this is what they are paying for today. They have been cut down to size to less than 8% of the population when they counted for more than 30%.
To oppose independence. You were in hand with globe,
and they want to repeat it.
To oppose independence.
The Jai Bhim is used as a can opener by Jai Meme and Jai Palestine. Jai Bhim is used as a can opener.
One minute, now, Sushil Pandit, one minute. Just 1 minute.
You oppose the constitution.
Mr. Pasha is responding now, Mr. Pasha. Yes, Mr. Pasha, louder.
This is what enables
you wanted Manusmriti to be made the constitution. You stood with the British to oppose independence. This is the fact. This is the history. This is the history.
Divide us on caste.
Independence you got in 2014. Before that, you were not independent. According to you and your leaders, independence came in 2014 only.
This is where
you didn't fight for independence until 1947. You were with British in 1942 when there was movement of Quit India movement against British. You were supporting British. You were supporting British government.
No, well, 1 minute. I'm just saying that this is not a negative call. I mean, if today someone were to say, if I look at the substance of what was said, Mr. Pasha, 1 minute. You see, Tariq Lari, another way of seeing this is that Yogi Adityanath has said that Rashtra se badhkar kuch nahi hota, so Hindus should unite in national interest. Hindus should unite in national interest. Am I right?
What is definition of Rashtra for him?
What is definition? Rashtra का definition राष्ट्र है, राष्ट्र सर्वोपरि, राष्ट्र के नाम. आप अभी definition of राष्ट्र पूछ रहे हैं अनवर जी, ये कैसी बात है?
The concept of idea of Rashtra Yogi is Hindu Rashtra. It doesn't believe in the concept of Rashtra of Ambedkar. It doesn't believe group of buffoons.
Anwar ji, what do you mean by definition of Rashtra, please? आप ऐसी बात क्यों कर रहे हैं? Anwar Pasha ji, you please don't speak like that. What is the definition of Rashtra? Rashtra means nation. Tariq Lari.
All the nonsense that they are speaking.
इन्होंने हिंदू राष्ट्र नहीं कहा, इन्होंने राष्ट्र कहा. इन्होंने हिंदू राष्ट्र नहीं कहा. योगी जी ने हिंदू राष्ट्र नहीं कही है. योगी जी has said राष्ट्र. Yes, Tariq Lari is on the debate, ladies and gentlemen. Tariq Lari. Tariq and Sanju are on the debate right now.
मैं मन से भी मैं एक हिंदुस्तानी हूँ, फिर मैं एक यूपीआई हूँ, उसके बाद मैं एक लखनऊई हूँ, उसके बाद मैं एक हिंदुस्तानी सनातनी मुसलमान हूँ. ये ध्यान रखिए, मेरे लिए भी देश सर्वप्रिय है, लेकिन these buffoons and louts,
please don't use those words. One minute. That's unnecessary. Unnecessary. Don't use the word buffoons and louts on my program.
Jihadi joker, shant ho jao. Jihadi joker.
No, calm down. No abuse on my program. Sanju, calm down as well. I'm now going to Atikur Rahman and Shantanu. Atikur Rahman and Shantanu are on the debate on a versus tonight. Atikur Rahman, please, no, you don't need to call anyone a buffoon because nobody called you a buffoon. Please don't say that. Please don't say that. Atikur Rahman, what's wrong here?
Give me uninterrupted
Shantanu needs at least 30 seconds uninterrupted. I grant that. Please, Shantanu.
Okay. See, Yogi Adityanath is a chief minister with multiple surveys, the number one chief minister. Why? Because he made UP the number 2 economy. A state
I don't have the messages.
Airports, a state with number of airports, lot of expressways, all the schemes are going to the T. And now he's saying, if you want to be a strong nation, come together. Jo Lohia ne kaha tha, I'm saying again, Jati todo, Samaj jodo. What is the problem? Everyone should say, wow, Yogi Adityanath is saying it. Every chief minister should say it. Katenge to batenge. अंग्रेजों की क्या नीति थी? What was Britishers नीति?
Divide and rule. Okay.
Divide and rule, right? And he's speaking against it. I'm sure everybody will love it. That's all. He's saying, साथ में रहो, मिलके रहो. That's all he's saying. What is the problem in that?
Atikur Rahman.
And he's saying that number top
और देश के लिए.
Of India.
So Arnab.
Yes, Atikur Rahman.
Arnab, I have not seen you more apologetic on any other issue than this one. The UP Chief Minister playing the victim card. Anyhow.
No, one sec. What is apologetic about it? 1 minute. Before you, no, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute, sir, 1 minute, 1 minute. I won't let you get it. What is apologetic about it? He has said everybody should come together in national interest. I support that. Do you mean to say people should come together against national interest? No, 1 minute. He has talked about Bangladesh. What happened in Bangladesh?
They like all of that.
He is just saying to strengthen the Hindutva elements. Hindus in India are united. How the Hindus are united? The moment the Congress says
everyone should be
to
united.
unite the
Hindus should also be united. What's the problem in that?
Goosebumps in the BJP
What's the
camp.
problem in that?
Today,
Everyone should
Sanju
be
Verma
united,
will
so
tell
should be
the
Hindus.
nation that from today they are abandoning the caste system, the Varna system. Do you have the guts, Sanju Verma? From today there will be a RSS chief from the Dalits. Do you accept this?
Sanju is on the
We
debate.
will
Sanju.
believe the UP Chief Minister once these
Before
two
advising
are,
the BJP, before
trending in
challenging
India.
Sanju Verma, you tell me, have you done anything
Arre
for
Baba,
Pasmanda
I am not
Muslims?
advising the BJP. Today,
You are
you
advising
will
the BJP
declare
every second
that
day.
Why are
BJP
you,
and the
Atik,
abundance
tell
of
me,
Varna-
Atik, does the caste system not exist among Muslims? 1 minute. Does the caste system not exist among Muslims? 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. Is there not caste stratification among Muslims? Is there not discrimination within different sections of Muslims? Do you ever do that?
Arre bhai, I have
No,
said-
don't
I have
avoid
said
it. Don't say are vare now. I am asking you a question. Then why is your only interest in dividing the Hindu community? What is your interest? What do you stand to gain by dividing the Hindu community? Why should the Hindu community be divided?
Now, will the BJP and the RSS declare that tomorrow there will be a Dalit president of the BJP?
You have a tribal president right now in the country. You are only wanting to divide the Hindu community. It won't happen. Won't happen. Well tried. Uday Mahurkar is back on the debate. Uday Mahurkar. The combination of the reference to Bangladesh and the call for unity both. Anwar Pasha, please listen to Uday Mahurkar. I'll come back to you after that.
I want to make 3 points, Arnab. You see, who are the people supporting Samajwadi Party in Congress?
Exclude them.
There is a Maulana Arshad Madani who supports Taliban. He is their main supporter. Number 1. Number 2, these people don't have a word for the distressed Hindus of Bangladesh. They have not spoken a single word. What are they talking about? And third point I want to make is that this is a game changer for Indian politics in the backdrop of the next 4-5 elections, because this will be a turning point. This will help the BJP.
Pasha, Anwar Pasha is debating.
पे पट्टी बांध ली है तो आपको कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगा. आपको सुनाई नहीं देगा अगर आपने आंख पे पट्टी बांध लिया है, कान बंद कर लिया है. Everybody is condemning. The incident of Bangladesh is not a Hindu-Muslim incident. Hundreds of Muslims have been killed by the agitators. There is a fight between the supporter of
Uday Mahurkar.
and
Uday Mahurkar, louder.
जो तालिबान को सपोर्ट करता है वो आपका सबसे बड़ा सपोर्टर है.
It is
मौलाना अरशद मदनी जो तालिबान को सपोर्ट करता है वो आपका सबसे बड़ा सपोर्टर है.
Asif Sohail.
और राहुल गांधी के जो पॉइंट्स हैं,
आसिफ सोहेल.
रोज का ये होता है कैसे हिंदुओं को डिवाइड करें. तो अगर राहुल गांधी डिवाइड करने के बाद रोज बात करते हैं तो भारत को एक करने के बाद योगी को नहीं कर सकते. बताइए आप मुझे.
तक बोला था मैं.
दूसरा अगर आप मुझे एक जवाब दीजिए कि मौलाना अरशद मदनी जो तालिबान को सपोर्ट करते हैं वो आपके सबसे बड़े सपोर्टर हैं. मतलब
I want Asif Sohail to respond to that. Owaisi calls for Asaduddin Owaisi always says that there must be political unity among Muslims. If there is nothing wrong with that, can you explain, Asif Sohail, what is wrong with the sum and substance of what Yogi Adityanath has said today?
if they are talking about Ambedkar, they should talk about what Ambedkar has
असदुद्दीन
written
अवैसी have never mentioned about
Muslims and
बटेंगे तो
Islam.
कटेंगे ना सर
Lenin
पहले ये
spoke,
हमारे बैड
partition
हिस्ट्री
और
टीचर को थोड़ी देर
You
खामोश
need to
बिठा
send the
दीजिए
tweets, yeah, but
then I have reply.
Nonsense. No, I have not got it. Yes.
आप अंबेडकर को कोट करते हैं, अंबेडकर का जो किताब है पाकिस्तान के ऊपर, उसको क्यों नहीं कोट करते हैं? अंबेडकर के साथ तो जो आपका धोखा है कोई का नहीं है, इंक्लूडिंग अंबेडकर के ग्रैंडसन है, उनका भी इतना बड़ा धोखा है अपने दादा के साथ में कि अंबेडकर ने जो इस्लाम और मुसलमानों के बारे में लिखा है अपनी किताब में.
Okay, now 1 minute. I'll just get 1 minute. Please, Uday Morkar, hear the response because I'm short of time. Asif Sohail, please, last response tonight on this debate. Asif Sohail.
अन्ना देखिए, असदुद्दीन अवैसी ने कभी बांटेंगे काटेंगे के बारे में तो नहीं बताया ना, मुल्क जोड़ने की
बांटेंगे की बात नहीं की, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे कहा.
बता रहा हूं
प्लीज
नहीं सुने मैंने वही बटेंगे हो या बांटेंगे हो जो भी हो, देखिए मेरी बात यही है कि ये पोस्ट इलेक्शन इफेक्ट है, इतना बड़ा हाइप अप देने की जरूरत नहीं है. बौखला गए हैं योगी आदित्यनाथ, डर रहे हैं 400 पार नहीं हुए, यूपी में भी हारेंगे आगे, उनको खुद को मोदी जी के ऊपर भरोसा नहीं है और वो लोग जो उनको वोट दे के लाए हैं उनको क्या होगा, मेरी तो वो फिक्र की बात है. एक चीफ मिनिस्टर इतनी कमजोर बात, बहुत अफसोस हुआ मुझे देखकर. ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये राहुल गांधी और
योगी आदित्यनाथ
400 पार का इफेक्ट है ये और कुछ नहीं.
The advantages of nation building, the advantages of national unity, the advantages of inclusivity, the advantages of unity in diversity. आप लोग कहते हैं 15 करोड़ 100 करोड़ पर भारी पड़ जाएंगे, तब आप कहते हो सब चंगा सी तालियां बजाओ. आपके लोग गुस्ताखे रसूल की एक ही सजा सरतन से जुदा.
Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, on the tweets tonight, Ananya says the opposition is nervous because Yogi is delivering on his promises. Manoj says what's there to criticize Yogi? And Garvit says we have a chief minister who's fearless. That's the need of the hour. That's the responses on the Motorola question. Tariq Ahmad Lari, he's speaking about national unity. Welcome it. And I would just like to conclude by saying out here that I think if every community gets together for the greater unity, of the nation, it is something to be welcomed. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Now, viewers, finally, I'm told there are student protests in Kolkata planned for tomorrow. They should be peaceful, and most importantly, it is absolutely necessary for Mamata Banerjee to hear the words of the Chief Justice of India. Let peaceful protests continue. There is no need for any harsh action. There is no need for any panic. Protests are part of civil society. Mamata Banerjee must listen to the recommendations of the protesters. I'll see you tomorrow evening. Good night and goodbye.